Good morning, sir. Today I have to explain my seminar presentation. My seminar topic is solar tree. My name is Suman Olan and I have to prepare this presentation in the guidance of Engineer Nikhil Yadav, Assistant Professor, and my co-guide is Engineer Dharmanshu Singh Soda sir, Assistant Professor. And this presentation is submitted by Engineer Yashwant Gupta sir, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Government Women's Engineering College, Ajmer. In this topic, I have to explain some basic topics are introduction, some basic introduction of about the solar tree, demands for the solar energy. There some energies are required and how much it will be required. It would be explained in the demands of solar energy. Why solar energy is important? It would be explained. What is solar tree? Why it is compared at solar tree? Components of solar tree. Spreading phyllodoxy. Why solar tree is better than other components? Advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, and the reference from where we have to discuss. Introduction. As you all know that the solar tree is a very important part of consume sunlight with the help of solar panels. Nowadays there is a necessity for a large amount of energy, and the sources to produce these energies are decreasing day by day in India. As we all know that the energy is reduces day by day because the population are increases. A solar tree is a decorative means of producing solar energy and also electricity. You all know that electricity is a basic requirement of our daily life, so it is the basic component to produce electricity. It uses multiple number of solar panels which forms a shape of a tree. The panels are arranged in a tree fashion in a tall tower pole. This is like a tree in structure, and the panel are like a leaves of the tree which produces energy. The panels are connected to the tree to produce electricity. As you know that the demands of energy has increased day by day. Shown in the graph, the energies are requirements are increases, but the fuel should be decreased day by day. Why solar energy is better than the others? Because they have so much of benefits. For example, there is no wastage of energy, low operating cost, increased control over long-term electricity rates. It should be increase the rate of electricity, improve corporate image. It should be reliable as compared to other, and it should be available at worldwide. What is solar tree? The basic definition of solar tree to explain in the easy way. The solar tree is a decorative means of producing solar energy and also electricity. It uses multiple number of solar panels which forms a shape of a tree. As you see in the figure, the panels are set up like leaves of a tree. The T stands for tree generating, the decoration of the tree. R stands for renewable, it generates renewable energies. E stands for energy, it produces energy. And E next stands for electricity, it produces electricity. Solar tree. The solar tree is comparative to normal tree. As we know, trees are present in nature and they can produce their own food material by the process called photosynthesis. You all know the process of photosynthesis of trees which are present in our daily life. They can play an important role in human beings' daily life. By this process, they are indirectly providing food to the human society because we are depending on the green plants of our food directly or indirectly. But the solar tree is different to produce energy as compared to food. This is a tree in which the stem connected act as a branch of the tree. The solar panels are like the leaves. Green leaves are producing food materials for human beings. Likewise, the leaves producing energy of the society. In this 8 place of leaves, the panels are placed. So it is very appropriate called solar tree. Some basic components which are required for the solar tree. When we produce solar tree, we have to require these components. For example, solar panel which absorbs the sunlight and it can be preserved. Long tower, batteries which can consume electricity to charge the other components, steam for connecting the panels, and LED lights to consume electricity. Sprilling photophagy. It is a unique technique used so make sure that every cell gets equal amount of energy or not. This has been manually immediately so as to increase efficiency of the plant. Why solar tree is better? As you know that in this figure the solar panels are work in households, grids, homes, battery, etc. They consume energy by sunlight. In the solar panels are supplied to the different parts of daily life uses due to less land required. In this process the land is required less. Efficient it would be efficient energy generation, and it can be collect energy from winds. So some advantages of this solar tree is there is no air pollution. As you all know, industries are create so much of pollutions which are harmful for human life, and it cause of death also. So the solar tree is not produce any type of pollution. We would not have to worry as much about future energy sources. When we have to use solar tree, then there is no issue of the resources. They fulfill the every complaint of related to electricity. People in poor country would have excess of electricity. People can save money by use of solar tree. The people can use solar panels and use save sunlight to produce electricity, so they can save money. Land requirement is very very less. As we have to grow tree, just like that we have to grow a solar tree. But some of its disadvantages: it's become costly at one time, and little bit it become hazardous for the birds, insects, because it creates little bit vibrations, and the vibrations are hazardous for insects and birds. And it's also hazardous to eyesight from the solar reflectors. But its applications are very important, how we can use and where we should be used. Home supply. As you see in the figure, at the roof of the house we have to use the solar panels to supply the electricity in our home. Street light. Industries power supply. As you all know that industries are required so much of electricity which it can be produced by solar tree without loss of money and without loss of land. Continuous power supply, and it should be supply electricity continuously. There is no any problem of cut electricity. And charging slot for cars. For the charging of batteries of cars and other vehicles we should also use solar panels. It should be wireless data transmission. Conclusion, and the final conclusion of this my presentation is to fulfill the increasing energy demands of the people and saving of the land. This project is very very useful one. This can be provide electricity without any power cut problem. The extra energy can be provided to the grid. As you all know, in our country there is lots of problem of the energies and power cut, so we have to use solar tree. This can be produced at anywhere anytime the electricity. And reference, I have to take some topics from these lines: google.com, wikipedia.org, studymafia.org, pptplant.com. These topics are helpful for me to perform this presentation. Any query? Thank you, sir.